As practice has shown, not many people are familiar with root perming, neither clients nor stylists. Root perming is needed in two cases. When your perm has already grown out, there's still some wave along the length, but there's no volume left at the roots, or when your client, usually in the crown area, has no volume but wants to have it. A properly and carefully done root perm gives a noticeable lift of just one curl from the very root, and the remaining portion of the client's hair remains precisely as it was before. This perm is done with a special gel formula, and the neutralization process is carried out with the regular neutralizer you use for a standard perm. Root perming is wound in exactly the same way as a regular perm. All the hair is wrapped around the curlers, from roots to ends. You can wind and arrange the curlers in a checkerboard pattern to slightly break up the pattern of the hair set at the roots. In the same way, we apply a pre-perm spray to protect and moisturize the hair. As I always do, I carefully part the hair in a precise zigzag pattern, then meticulously select a section that is just the right size for the curler, and finally I gently wind it around. We wrap the end in a paper to make sure it lies flat and even. Twist it with the tail comb. Pull it tight and distribute the hair evenly on the curler. Secure it with an elastic band. Place sticks under the elastic bands to prevent creasing. Carefully apply the prepared solution, which is typically a strip, onto the targeted hair, and then meticulously distribute it evenly with a specialized brush from all sides, ensuring complete and thorough coverage. The solution only penetrates the outer curl. All the other hair remains dry and does not curl. Every bottle, every box comes with instructions that include a table showing the processing time for different hair types and solutions. After the processing time is up, you open the rollers and check, is the curl elastic or not? But usually the processing time indicated in the instructions is quite sufficient. Then, without unrolling the rollers, you thoroughly rinse the hair for at least 5 minutes, blot it with a towel, and apply the neutralizer for 10 minutes. Remove the rollers and rinse the hair as you normally would after a perm. If you were restoring grown-out perm and did a root perm specifically to have the curl start at the roots, then on the day of the perm you should style your hair with a diffuser. But if you only did a root lift, then style your hair with a blow dryer as usual. A root perm done with this particular solution does not have a visible regrowth line. After just 1 or 2 months, the hair simply grows out completely and the beautiful curl gradually disappears entirely. A root perm, just like a regular perm, is a complex chemical process, so on the same day you can only color your hair with direct-acting pigments. Modern perming techniques are truly beautiful, incredibly convenient and completely safe, provided they are done correctly.